Se Wicknel vasvitsa Sunday Marimo Mota vakati aiwa titende nebasa guru ramakatiitira sesoka legend uye $20,000 cash for lunch and fuel. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So vanyora semanyoro avo, the football talisman. There are very few names in Zimbabwe football that have shaped the DNA of this game. One household name became a veteran of football. A man whose calm discipline but military-like precision transformed both Dynamos and our national team, the Warriors. A man who qualified the Warriors for their maiden AFCON appearance in 2004 and led them to many other qualifications. A veteran gaffer who led Zimbabwe to win the first COSAFA Cup trophy and 3 others. Football fans knew that when the general was in charge, the team would always deliver beyond expectation. Today, I wish to celebrate none other than the football legend Sunday Marimo Mota Chidzambwa, my homeboy from Chivu. What separated him from the rest was his obsession with discipline. His famous line, "No stars, just juncture," remained etched in the minds of every player who passed through his hands. He never allowed ego to eclipse teamwork. It is this firm yet humble leadership that has made him a legend in football, which deserves proper recognition. Just recently, I was most delighted by his open support for President Mnangagwa as he praised His Excellency's exceptional support to local football. Even in his twilight years, Mofu is an avid and active member of the coaches for ED, which shows beyond doubt how much a patriot and nationalist he is, even away from the field of play. For that patriotic loyalty and a lifetime of football excellence, it is my highest honor to now extend my humble gesture of appreciation. Please go and see Victor at Exquisite Car Dealership and collect your brand new 2026 Toyota Fortuner 2.4 GD6. $72,000 has been paid in full, and your car is ready for collection. You also receive a small $20,000 cash for lunch and fuel. Congratulations, Mofu. Zimbabwe celebrates you. Football legend, the general. Coaches for ED. Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Ndo mashoko ari kubva kuna Se Wicknel vakati aiwa mukomana, you deserve this. Manetizens ari kuti tinozvitenda manyora zvakanaka maiden voyage yedu yekuenda kuAFCON 2004. Guys, kune vaya vachiri kuremember 2004, our first goal against Egypt rararohwana nikona Benjani rari nechepacenter akarirova rikanopinda. Nditamboziva here madetails but ndoziva kuti takatomboscore kwakafariwa kani tichimba go Warriors. Zvese zvakafamba zvakanaka. Makorokoto manetizens asi kucomplaina vari kufara vakati just recently I most was delighted by his open support for ED. Guys, zanu chibaba zanu uchi ndo mashoko emanetizens. Se Wicknel stands as a visible example of patriotism expressed through action. His philanthropic efforts have touched many lives, reminding us that true success is measured not only by personal achievement, but by the impact one has on the community through acts of generosity and support to individuals and institutions. He has demonstrated a deep commitment to uplifting fellow Zimbabweans. Such deeds inspire hope, unity, and a culture of giving values that strengthen our national social fabric. At a time when solidarity and compassion are essential, philanthropy plays a vital role in national development. Citizens are encouraged to draw inspiration from those who give back, using their means, big or small, to others. A nation grows stronger when its people choose generosity, unity, and patriotism. Vamwe vari kuti we deserved Mofu. Mama netizens akati $20,000 yefuel nelunch. Asi isusu panyaya yese iyi tangonzwa kuti Se Wicknel vati Sunday Marimo atori gafa kusvika afa.